guys! Welcome back! We're here with a Pokemon cake today! Isn't he adorable? Starting out with our black stuff. And your super sharp knife. We've already got our cake ready. So we did red on top, white on the bottom, and we're gonna do a tiny little black belt. That was the strip we were just cutting. Cut off your extra, but don't cut your cake and don't cut your fingers. You're gonna smooth it all in with our awesome cake irons. Oh, it's gonna look so good when it's all done. I can't even wait. Add your glue. Remember to not stick your fingers to the cake. That would be so silly. Lots and lots of sticky glue. Then add your black band. Then we're gonna cut off the extra. Be super careful. All right, now get our little circle cutter shapes. Kinda just like you're making sugar cookies. Sugar cookies. But these are gonna turn into little black and white shapes. You'll see. Careful not to glue your fingers. Oh, it looks so perfect. Now we're gonna glue it straight on the cake. Awesome! Doesn't that look so cute? Remember, if you love watching these, to hit the subscribe button. Drop us an awesome comment. Tell us who's your favorite character. And give us a big thumbs up. Now we're gonna lay our yellow sheet over our cake. You know how this works. Smooth it in super careful. Super careful. It's gonna wanna make some bubbles and bumps on you, so take your time and smooth it in nice. Use those silly cake irons. Help it get nice and smooth. You remember the pizza cutter, right? That's gonna help us get a straight line. Take away the extra. Now we're gonna add that dowel on top so it helps support the big cake coming down. Can you guess who it's gonna be? Now we're gonna use some yellow ears. They kind of look like popsicles, don't they? Popsicles. Carefully put your stick in the middle. You know whose ears these are, right? Gonna add some cute little ear texture. Now we're gonna do lots and lots of circles. Big circles, medium circles, teeny tiny circles. And one long squiggly piece. Looks like a mustache. Are you having fun? Make sure you hit subscribe. Leave us an awesome comment. And a big thumbs up. Now we've got our second belt on. Now we're gonna start placing the face. 2 little eyeballs. With our cute little dots. A teeny little nose. Here comes the squiggles. Aww. And little cheekies. Something's missing. What is it? Did you guess what it is? Did you guess the ears? You're right, it was the ears! Oh, so cute! Remember, hit subscribe, leave us an awesome comment, and give us a big thumbs up for your favorite Pokemon cake! Aw, so cute! Does it just make you so happy? All finished!